Looking for a rare opportunity in one of Virginia Beach's most coveted communities? In a neighborhood where only 6 homes have hit the market in the last 6 months, we present to you the best well-kept secret here in Holland Pines. And before we start this tour, I want to show you where we're located because this location is second to none. We are in the heart of Virginia Beach, centrally located for your convenience. Just minutes away from vibrant town center, where you can enjoy shopping and dining and entertainment options, close to beautiful beaches for perfect relaxation and fun in the sun. Welcome to Iron Valley's newest listing. As you step inside, you're greeted by a bright and airy living space with an open floor plan that can be converted to a dining space that sets the tone for the rest of your home. Next, we have the heart of the home, the kitchen. This kitchen is perfect for prepping meals and entertaining guests. The living room offers a spacious, comfortable area for relaxation with plenty of natural light streaming through large windows and creating a warm and inviting ambience. The master bedroom is a great retreat featuring generous space, abundant natural light, and a private ensuite bathroom for added convenience. Additional bedrooms provided plenty of space for family and guests or even a home office, offering versatility to suit your needs. Step outside to the backyard oasis, complete with a spacious deck and lush greenery. It's perfect space for outdoor entertaining, gardening, or simply relaxing in the fresh air. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to be the first to be notified on all our latest listings. I am Cassena Gonzalez, and if you're looking to sell or buy, I look forward to your call.